Hi, my name is Jim McCann with Shopsmith. I'm here to show you how to remove these table post tubes from your main Worktable on your Model 520 or Mark 7. This also works on Model 510 or 505. Need a few tools. Need a screwdriver for removing this plate. You'll need a punch, either a straight pin punch or a center punch. I like the shortest punch I can get, and really the center punch works well because it makes a hole in the pin. You're going to have in the kit, you'll have 2 new tubes and 2 new pins. These pins are tapered. They're smaller at one end than the other, and they go into the casting one direction and stop, and so we must hit them or drive them out from the opposite direction. So we're going to use a little bit of paste wax for lubricant. So that's the tools. In addition, we need a C-clamp to hold the table in place to your workbench. All right, first we need to remove the table tilt indicator scale. Don't want to hit that with a hammer. Set those aside. Now the pins have to be removed from the inside out because we drive them in the opposite direction and the taper holds them in place. This takes some pounding to get these out. There it is. Now my center punch is a little bit bigger than the hole, so I switch to the pin punch. And you can see the pin coming out. And there it goes. We don't use the old pin over again because it's damaged a little bit from driving it in place. Second pin is coming out. There it goes. Now these posts sometimes are really tight and it takes a twist to get them out. The pin creates a burr on the outside of the post and that makes it difficult to remove. The new posts go in. There's a rack on both sides, so it doesn't matter which way they go in. They go in a little bit easier. And you'll have to make sure the hole lines up just by rotating it. And that one came out pretty easy. Second one in, line up the pins. We use a little bit of paste wax on the pins as a lubricant. I got enough for both of them the first time. Put that on the small end. And we're going to drive the pins in from the outside in. Make sure the holes line up. Small end in first. Drive them in until they're flush or almost flush with the outside. There it goes. I had to lift this tube up just slightly to get the holes to line up. There, new posts on, pins in. All that's left is putting the indicator plate back on since we haven't moved the table. When the 0 mark is pointing at the the 0 mark, everything will be lined up. There's my second screw. Line up 0 on 0. Tighten it down, you'll be good to go. That's how you change the table posts on your main work table.